Hello, so today we're going to be doing a shoulder pad fitting, and so for our first step we're going to be measuring the circumference of our patient's chest. So Dominique is going to be doing that.
Lizette, can you raise your arms for me, please?
So for that measurement we got a 42 inch, and so then our second step for measurement is we're going to be measuring from the head of the humerus to the head of the humerus.
Inches.
19 inches, and so since we have 42 inches for the circumference of the chest and 19 inches for the shoulder width, we will be using the Riddell sizing chart because we have a Riddell gear with us today, and the sizing chart with those measurements is going to say that we need a medium. So right now we have with us a medium Riddell shoulder pad, and so we're going to go ahead and apply this to our athlete. And so, yeah, so it says right here too on there that it's a medium. It will fit between 18 and 19 inches, which is the measurement of humerus to humerus, and then anywhere between 42 to 44 for the circumference. So, somebody's going to do the steps.
So we're going to go ahead and tie this first. And we're going to get these and buckle them. Do 4.
Okay. Is that too tight on this side?
Mm-hmm.
Can you go ahead?
Mm-hmm. Is that good on this side?
You can go tighter.
Tighter? How about there?
Right there. Then you guys are feeling.
Alright. So it's good to check in with your client to make sure if you're not going too tight, you're not hurting them or anything. In 1 moment. Okay, so now that those are done, we're going to perform tests to make sure that everything is covered.
So we need to make sure that the deltoid is covered here, and that the clavicle is completely covered. So you just check on both sides, and then we make sure that the scapula is also completely covered. And it does. And then can you extend your neck for me all the way, and then flex all the way, and then look both ways? How does that feel?
Feels good.
Okay, can you lift your arms up for me? All the way up. Okay.
Alright, so a couple errors that we found in this fitting was that when we asked her to rotate her neck and extend her neck up to look at the sky, there was too much friction in the areas of the shoulder pads that were touching her neck. They're on her neck. And then when we had her raise her arms, she could not raise them to as high as we would like to be able to functionally be able to play, ideally.
And one thing to take into consideration also is that a lot of the measurements for Riddell are typically for male athletes, and the measurements might be off compared to female athletes.
So that was our shoulder pad fitting. Thank you.